If you've been wanting to remodel your bathroom or your kitchen or your whole house, I know what your first question is. How much is this going to cost? But it can be really hard to get anyone to answer that question, and that is why I am going to give you a number by the end of this video. In the book that I just wrote, I used a quiz to put renovation projects in 3 different categories. You can find the quiz on my blog if you want to take it. A resurface renovation only replaces the surface layers of your house and maybe puts a new surface on the middle layers of your house. The average resurface type renovation in the US is between $1,000 and $10,000. A change in place renovation digs into the surface layers and the middle layers of your house, but you're not moving things like your appliances, cabinetry, plumbing, and electrical. This type of renovation averages $3,000 to $31,000 in the United States. And finally, a studs out renovation digs into all the layers of your house all the way down to the studs. This type of renovation averages between $14,000 and $87,000 in the United States. I know that these averages are broad. Follow me so you can catch my next video, and I'll talk about what makes construction costs vary so much. And tell me what you think. Do these costs represent where you live? Peace, love, and good design.